In this video, you'll learn how to manage the displayed fields for each module in the customer portal. This allows you to customize which fields your portal users can see. Navigate to Settings, then select Configure Customer Portal. Choose the module you want to edit, such as Quotes or Jobs. Once inside, you'll see two lists: Used Fields optionally, and Click Restore to reset the fields back to the default configuration. To customize, drag fields from the Used list to the Available list to hide them. Drag fields from Available back to Used. You can also rearrange the field order by dragging fields within the Used list. The new order will be reflected in the portal. One important note: the status field cannot be hidden for any module, as it is required. For Jobs specifically, the due date field also cannot be hidden, since both are mandatory. Once you've arranged the fields as needed, click Save. Then navigate to your portal and hard refresh your browser to see the updated fields.